Bow! What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the show. It is your boy Lex Money. Everything is playing out exactly as we've been expecting it. Now, in today's video, we're going to look into ICP, we're going to look into Ethereum, we're going to look into Bitcoin. But before we do that, guys, we are edging so much closer. We've actually gone up by 0.1% yesterday. We're trying to get this to 40%, guys. So if you're not already part of the family and you want to help me on my journey to 40% subscribed, then go and drop me a sub. Please do it. Let's go. Now, yesterday's affirmation was to take risks and leave no regrets. Now, when I say take risks, this is not what I mean, you crazy motherfucker. Risks does not mean meme coins, okay? Some of you guys may take that as a risk, but risk just means to put yourself out there, think outside of the box. All of you guys are doing that already. But today's affirmation, guys, is going to be don't fear failure. Fear being in the exact same place next year as you are today. Maybe some coins won't make it, maybe some coins will. If you're too scared of failure, then guys, you're never going to be able to evolve yourself, evolve your character, evolve your personality. Think about that every day. The crypto market is in flames, guys. It is in flames. The ETF went live yesterday. Isn't it up only season? Why is Ethereum not just going straight up? Oh my goodness. Now, we're going to get into ICP in a bit because you're going to see everyone else here is having a hard day. Apart from the ICP community, we have only dipped really 2%, right? We've been holding up super strong. And there's some charts that I showed you guys yesterday that we need to go and reevaluate and look over again. But Ethereum is crashing. Oh no, oh no. Now, guys, it's super important to have a bunch of different charts. What I like to do is I do USD, USDT pairs on like Bitstamp, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, all that sort of stuff. And in that way, I can have loads of different charts here while not paying for like the super expensive one. Now, when the Bitcoin ETF went live, guys, we had a 20% correction. Just to show you guys that, we went up like the day of and then crashed 21%. Now, I said this could be a massive cheat sheet, right? It is a sell the news event. In crypto, there's never not been a sell the news event. And if you guys can think of a time where there's been a big news event and it's came out and then it's actually insta-pumped us, then you can let me know in the comments. But if anyone can let me know, then I'll give you guys, I don't know, 5 ICP for anyone who can name that event. But I don't think there's going to be one, guys. Now, as I showed you guys yesterday, myself and the members club did enter a technically high risk hedge trade against the Ethereum ETF going live. Guess what? As I showed you yesterday, we were looking to take profit at 3185. What happened when I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning? We were at 3181. Okay, so the take profit had already been hit. We've actually taken half off the table. Some people 5x margin. But if your name's Jeremy and you're a crazy mother effer, right? Shout out Jeremy, one of the members in the members club. Then he actually decided, you know what? I want to 30x leverage the sell the news event. He's now up 200%, guys. Guys, now I've actually partnered with Blowfin and they are trying to give back as much as they can for all of you guys who do sign up via my link. Now, first of all, you can get a 15% cash back on all deposits, up to 7.5k in futures bonuses. And also, if you do complete these trading volume tasks, then you can get the following rewards. So at 3 million, you can get an Apple Watch. At 15 million, you can get a Herman & Miller chair. At 25 million, you can get a Canon camera worth 2.5k. 50 million, you get a 5k travel fund. And 100 million, you actually get a Kawasaki Ninja 650 motorcycle worth nearly 10k. And if you guys are big whales and you do trade via my link, then not only will you get the 15% cash back, but you're also going to get a Tesla Model 3 worth 33k, guys. So if you're part of the members club, you get an extra 10% cash back. If you want to just use my link, then you can get the standard rate 15% cash back plus all of these prizes. Make sure you go and use the Blowfin link. Yes, I'm shilling it. Let's get some prizes, guys. But it's not time to try and sell your bag to be getting lower prices, right? This is why we entered the hedge short, because I'm not trying to do the thing of, oh my god, okay, sell the news event, sell everything, try and get back in at this price. Just hold your bags and use the profits from the hedge short to up your bags even more, right? That is what we're doing. That is how we stay successful. That's how we keep hold of our crypto and our spot positions that we've been working on for years, okay? Now, you see on the Wyckoff reaccumulation, we actually needed this to print here. Really, I'd like to be holding around 63k, but if not, as long as we don't break that 52k, we're looking very, very good, guys. But Bitcoin has been playing out the Wyckoff reaccumulation very lovely over the course of the past year, guys. So at the moment, everything's playing out exactly how it needs to be. The next step is going to be tackling the all-time high. And where people are going to start to get wrecked in this stage of the market is thinking, oh my God, what if we do go lower? What if we do print a lower low? What if this gets invalidated? And then you don't buy your top altcoins and you don't accumulate your altcoins at this like 10% dump, which most coins are in now. I mean, look at over the past 24 hours, pretty much all the blue chip top coins are down between 5 and 10%, really. I mean, some of them are holding up strong. Casper's holding up strong. ICP holding up strong. But as you come back down, some of these got hit harder than others, guys. And there are going to be amazing buying opportunities for us again today. And I'm going to let all the members club know what I will be picking up today because I think it is accumulation time. I'm not waiting. And on top of that, guys, the hash ribbons have just printed a buy signal. Every single time they've printed a buy signal, it has indicated a massive rally to come. And this is why I think there's so many indicators in the real world and on the charts that are just letting us know, is slapping us in the face saying, look guys, take your finger out your ass and take this seriously, because you had the ETF going live, 20% crash, 10-20% crash maybe for 2 weeks, and then we bounce, similar to what you had for Bitcoin. Historically, it looks like we've got around 8 weeks left before we do start to break the all-time high and enter price discovery. You've got the elections coming up at the end of the year as well. Pumptober, all these different things, guys. I've covered them many times on the channel. You know what the deal is. Now, as we said yesterday, guys, we wanted to keep this $9.42 as a nice little price area to be trickling along. And if we do break below it, then we're going to be aiming between $7 and $8. But we've actually held up against the Ethereum crash pretty strong today, actually, guys. Considering Ethereum was down like 10% at one point today. Look, we're at $9.42. We barely had that much of a correction. There was one point I was looking at the charts earlier. We were only down like, I think it was like 0.26%, while everything was down like, I don't know, 6-7% at the time. Still, we go back to the OG chart. We've still broken out of this resistance that we'd been underneath for nearly 6 months. And if we do have a continued dump for Ethereum and we do complete a 20% correction, which mirrors the 20% correction that Bitcoin went through when it had its past ETF, guys, then that could bring us down, like I said, to around that high $9 to $8, which would be the retest of the breakout. And then this low has been printed, and then we jump across the creek and start to tackle the all-time high, which then brings ICP back into the blessing zone. God damn it, my laptop just ran out of storage. What I'm trying to say is we're going to hit some resistance at around that 0.618 at $15, probably by the time we are at the all-time high again for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and then we enter price discovery, and boom, we can tackle that $20 high and beyond. But look, guys, just a quick one to say, Lex Money is not panicking. We're chilling. All of you guys should be chilling as well. You should be trying to accumulate your top coins. If there are any bags that you think are empty in your portfolio, then make the most out of this dip. And again, if you want any help, come and join the members club. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace, guys.